In a whimsical world, cats and dogs come together to dance. Their furry paws tap to the beat, tails swaying in harmony. As the music fills the air, these unlikely companions show off their moves, wowing onlookers with their rhythm and grace. It's a sight to behold, a reminder that even the most different beings can find common ground through the universal language of dance. Together, they create a pawsome spectacle that brings joy to all who witness their delightful performance. Let's celebrate the magic of feline and canine dance partners. Animals hunting is a natural behavior where carnivores seek and capture their prey for food. This instinctual activity relies on the predator's speed, agility, and stealth. Whether a lion chasing a gazelle on the savannah or a shark gliding through the ocean to catch fish, hunting is crucial for the predator's survival. It's a thrilling display of the circle of life in the animal kingdom.
Birds play essential roles in ecosystems such as pollination, seed dispersal, and pest control. They also bring joy and inspiration to many people through their beauty and behavior. Whether you're observing them in your backyard or exploring a remote natural area, birds offer endless opportunities for discovery and enjoyment. They are a diverse group of warm-blooded vertebrates known for their feathers, beaks, and ability to lay eggs. Birds have evolved a wide range of specializations that enable them to thrive in diverse environments and ecological niches. These adaptations are reflected in their physical characteristics, behaviors, and ecological roles, and these specializations demonstrate their ability to adapt to a wide range of environments. Each adaptation enhances their survival and success in their specific habitats.